Almost every one of us has heard of a volcano and seen a volcanic eruption. Probably then many of you wondered how these large volcanoes are formed, or what and how does a volcano form, which has long inspired awe in people and always looked powerful during eruptions. To begin with, the correct, scientific definition of what a volcano is. A volcano is an opening, or rupture, in the Earth's crust, through which molten rock mass, lava, where ash and gases come to the surface, where they cool and settle. A volcano is a geological formation, most often a mountain, although there are also submarine volcanoes, where lava comes to the surface of the Earth's crust. The word volcano comes from the island of Volcano in the Tyrrhenian Sea. According to some other sources, the word volcano comes from the Roman god Vulcan, the god of fire and volcanoes. The basic elements of a volcano are a volcanic cone, a crater, underground channels, a hearth, and finally magma, lava. Magma on the surface of the Earth is called lava. Volcanoes can be active, extinct, dormant. Volcanoes most often form on the edges of lithospheric plates, which make up the Earth's surface and in which hot gases and magma create cavities through which they erupt onto the Earth's surface. Volcanoes, first of all, form in the area of subduction, when one plate slides under another. Then the lower plate melts due to its descent into the mantle, and its gases and molten rocks boil and break through the cracks, leading to an eruption. Over time, the ejected material settles on the surface, creating volcanic cones up to several thousand meters high. Volcanoes also exist under the sea, a discovery that is a century old, the so-called submarine volcanoes. There are about 80 submarine volcanoes on Earth. While on our planet Earth there are more than 600 active and countless extinct volcanoes. The largest number of active volcanoes is located in the area known as the Pacific Rim of Fire, over 400 volcanoes, which includes the Philippines, Hawaii, Polynesia, the Marianas, and other islands. In addition, the most famous volcanic areas are the Mediterranean, Atlantic, and East African. Australia is the only continent without a single active volcano. Typical volcanoes on land are cone-shaped, but they represent only a small part of the total volcanic activity on Earth. Namely, most of the magma erupts from the ground deep underwater, along cracks in mid-ocean ridges or through smaller holes known as hot spots. Volcanic eruptions are not always equal. Eruptions are determined by the chemical composition of the magma and its temperature. We distinguish several types: Hawaiian, in which the river of flowing lava is wide and slow; Strombolian with flowing lava and ejection of ash and stones; volcanic with explosive ejection of solid material; Montpellier with explosion and ejection of a hot cloud; and those in which an old crater explodes and blows rocks, ash and pieces of lava far away.